Welcome back to our English class. Today we shall learn chapter 3. The name of the chapter is The Man Who Loved All. The name of the chapter is The Man Who Loved All. So this chapter we learn about Abraham Lincoln, about his family and the things he has done for the poor people. So come to the first paragraph. There was a time when people were brought in chains to the market and sold like oxen or horses. They were brought from the African jungles. They were sold to the white wealthy men in Europe and America. This practice was called slavery. These slaves had to work for the rich owners who brought them from the market. The condition of these slaves was worse than that of animals. They were treated mercilessly and they worked day and night. I shall give you the explanation. The poor people who lived in the African jungles, they were brought to the market like oxen or horses and they were sold to the white, wealthy, rich men of Europe and America. Here the meaning of sold means bechna. This practice was called slavery. Which practice? The selling of the people is called slavery. Slavery means gulami. The meaning of the slavery is gulami. And these poor people means slaves had to work day and night for their owners, and the condition of these slaves were very bad and they looked after so cruelly by the owners. Treated means to deal or behave. The meaning of treated is to deal or behave. Mercilessly. The meaning of mercilessly is cruel or pitiless, without pity. So these poor people were treated by the owners so mercilessly. They were not having any compassion on the people. Like oxen and horses, they were treated. Come to the next paragraph. Slavery was abolished by Abraham Lincoln when he was the President of the United States of America. Abraham Lincoln is a world famous name. It is interesting to know how this lover of mankind traveled from a poor wooden cabin to the White House. This slavery means the selling of the people was continuing for many years. And Abraham Lincoln, when he became the President of USA, he abolished slavery. Abolished means to make an end. He finished the slavery. Or take away. He has taken away the slavery. So abolished means to make an end or take away. Children, who abolished slavery? Yeah, Abraham Lincoln, who was the President of USA, abolished slavery. His name was so famous name. So now let us go through the life of this poor man from a wooden cabin to White House. He was a very poor man. He lived in a wooden cabin and how he became the president and reached in the White House. Now let us see that. Come to the next paragraph. Abraham Lincoln was born on 12th February 1809 in a log cabin. His father Thomas Lincoln was a poor farmer and mother Nancy was an illiterate housewife. The family, after wandering from place to place, settled in Indiana, a heavily forested area. Lincoln, who was a healthy boy, helped his father in farming. He cleared the forest for farming by felling trees with an axe. Come to explanation. Abraham Lincoln was born on 12th February 1809 in a wooden cabin. Means the house which was made of wooden. Means wooden hut. His father was Thomas Lincoln, a poor farmer, and his mother Nancy was a housewife. She was illiterate. Illiterate means unable to read and write. A person who is unable to read and write. Abraham Lincoln's family were moving from one place to another and at last they settled in forest area. As he was a healthy boy, he helped his father in farming and he cleared the forest for farming by cutting the trees. As his father was a farmer, he also helped his father in the field for farming and they cleared the field for farming. Young Lincoln spent his childhood without any schooling. The poor conditions of the family didn't permit Lincoln to attend school. Moreover, being an isolated and remote region, the place where they were living had no schools nearby. Young Lincoln could not go to the school as his family was very poor. Not only the family was poor, but also no schools were nearby the place where they lived. There was no school nearby the place where they lived. Because why they were not having the schools? Because that place was isolated. Isolated means a lonely place. And remote region. Remote means far away. So the places was lonely place and far away place. It was separated from the other places. So there was no school. So he could not go to the school. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs we shall discuss today. You just read and understand it, and rest of the paragraphs we shall discuss tomorrow. So read the chapter for 5 times. Thank you.